Everyone, today in this video I'll be showing you how you can put a due date on your Trello cards. If you are using Trello for any projects, it's a must that you put due dates on those projects. So I'll show you how we can do this easily on Trello. As you can see, I have a card here. If you don't know how to create a card, you can watch the video in the description. Okay, once you open the card, you can see here there's an option called dates. You have to click on that. Okay, now you can put the start dates and end dates. Now I'll just put this the due date. I will make it 25 and click on save. As you can see, you have this due date right here, right here. So yeah, the person working in this project could see this time or the due date. So they will try to complete it ASAP and then get the files to you. So that's it for today's video. Hope you found this video informative. If yes, please like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.